Hi everyone, welcome into Escobar. Today in this video we are going to learn about SOAP UI with a simple example. If you are interested in API testing or want to improve your QA skills, this video is perfect for you. I will show you what SOAP UI, how it works and why it's widely used in testing web services. So let's begin. First understand about what is SOAP UI. SOAP UI is powerful open source tool used for testing APIs, especially SOAP and REST web services. It allows testers and developers to send requests, validate responses, and ensure that APIs are working correctly. First, when you open SOAP UI, you can view this interface. In the file option, you can create some empty project, new SOAP project, new REST project. If you want to import project, so you can also import. As you can view here, add an existing project into this workspace, import packed projects. For now, we will create a new SOAP project. Now, enter project name here and initial WSDL. First, enter project name, the name of the project to create. Here, two options available: URL or file name of initial WSDL. Either you enter here URL or you can browse a WSDL file. Now, open Chrome browser, and this is a simple example. This API for adding two numbers, subtract two numbers, and you can also multiply two numbers. So here we will enter WSDL URL. As you can view here, WSDL URL, this is project name. If you want to change this project name, you can also change this project. For now, click on OK. It will create a request, and here load definition. This API, this is add API. Click on this request. In this API, you need to enter two integers, integer A and integer B, and it will add these two numbers. If you want to rename this request, you can delete, you can clone request. This is the shortcut keys. And if you want to delete this request, you can also delete this request. Suppose you want to rename this request, you can add here add and then click on OK. So you can easily rename this request. Now this is divide, so it will divide two numbers. The benefits of SOAP UI: it support both SOAP and REST API testing, easy to create and run test cases, helps in functional and regression testing. It allows data driven testing, and it also provides detailed response validation. The user interface is user friendly, and it supports automation and integration with CI/CD tool. So these are all the benefits of SOAP UI. Now we will send the request. For sending request, first we will add here. Suppose we want to add these two numbers, 5 and 5. First, this is SOAP envelope, and inside this headers body, and this is the tag. You can view here ending tag. So we need to close this tag, SOAP envelope, and here SOAP envelope, and then body, and then header. This is the header. Inside this body you need to add this data. For sending this request, you just need to click on this green button, and you can view here submit request to a specified endpoint URL, and also shortcut is available alter enter. Click on send, and we can view here response. Add results: 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. We can rename this request. For rename, we can just type here divide, and this is second request. We can click on this one, enter here 2 2, and it will divide these two numbers. As you can view here 2. This is multiply request. Suppose we want to multiply 10, multiply by 2, send this request 10 multiply by 2 is equal to 20. This is the XML response. You can view here XML multiply response, and this is the multiply result 20. For subtract, click on this one and enter here 5 3. It will subtract these two numbers. Click on send, and we are getting two results because 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So that's our for today tutorial on sending a basic request in SOAP UI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Escape World for more testing tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.